What's going on, everybody? Today we at Caesar's Palace, gonna do a room tour of the Augustus Premium 2 Queen room and room number 2594. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the room, got a nice little entryway, a good size space. Immediately to your right, you do have a connecting door, so if you have an extra room connected to you, it'd be right there to your right. And then as we walk into the room to the left, this is your bathroom. So you've got a really nice bathroom in here. Immediately to the left from your bath, or when you walk into the bathroom, is your walk-in shower. So you got a nice size walk-in shower. It's got really nice tiling, pretty cool shower head. So nice size walk-in shower. And then next to your walk-in shower, you do have a jacuzzi tub, which is something that is beloved by people who travel to Vegas. You've got your button over here on the right, and then that will fizz up your tub. And then over here, you have dual vanity sinks. So you've got your mirror above both of your dual vanity sinks with the standard cups and lotion, soaps, all of that good stuff. And then down here below, you just have some drawers in case you need to put some things away. Over to the right here, you have your water closet. So you do have a toilet with a private water closet, and then your switches over there. The lighting seems a little dim in the bathroom, but I don't think it's too bad. But for those of you who do need to glamify yourself, of course, there is a vanity mirror, but the lighting might not be the best, but you do have that available. So you got a nice bathroom. Then as we make our way on into the main part of the room, right here to your right as you come out of the bathroom, you do have a full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Make sure you're fresh. And then opposite of your full body mirror is your closet. So it doesn't light up when you open it, but you got a standard size closet. So you've got your ironing board here with your hangers. You do have an in-room safe in the closet, so if you need to lock up your valuables, you do have an in-room safe. And then down below is a luggage rack, and as I always say, most people hardly ever use it, but it's there if you need it. So coming into the main part of the room, you've got a really nice spacious room. As you see, you've got your beds and a couch, so we'll make our way through there momentarily. But off to your right, you do have a work desk space, so if you need to do some work while you're in town, you have a work desk with another mirror. And then opposite side of your work desk is your 2 queen beds. So you've got 2 nice queen size beds. You've got the blue and gold accent footer below. And then in between is just your stand. You just got a light here. You do have a phone, and that is a clock radio, but it seems to be out. And then down here, you just have some drawers all the way down. So if you need to store things bedside, you do have drawers. Now, directly across from your 2 queen beds, you have your entertainment space. So you've got a flat screen TV above, and then over here you have your mini bar space. So up here on the top of the counter, you have some drinks, you have some snacks that you can purchase, but most people don't because the prices are outrageous. And as you can see with everything going on, they have QR codes for the menu pricing. And then down here you actually have the mini fridge with the drinks, but I have it locked because I'm not buying anything out of that mini bar. So don't want to pay $10 for an airplane bottle of liquor. That's just not gonna happen. So over here you have like a living room, dining room, lounge space. So you got a chair here, and then you also have a couch. This couch is not a pull-out sleeper sofa, just a regular couch. But if you are gonna have extra guests, you do have space, and you have a little ottoman on this side. To the right, you have a dining room table that will seat 3. So that's very nice. And then you also get a Keurig coffee maker that is included with the room. No extra charge for that. And then for the finale, you have your view. So this is a city view. It's not a strip view, but you got your floor to ceiling windows. So you do get a nice view of the city over there. And then on this side, you can actually see part of the pool area, but it doesn't look like that particular pool is filled up. But the pools are open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you want to get your swim on, you definitely can. And that's going to do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.